Okay, howdy, folks. This is, I mean, it's Chip. You know who I am, but I've never done a video before about how fixing things. And I'm in my '99 Ford Ranger with all my flashing lights everywhere. Need to get this thing to a shop and get those cleared. I repaired a bunch of stuff. But my next repair on here are my cruise control buttons. As you can see, that one there, I don't know how well you can see, broke the tabs off. I'll show you the little tabs somewhere here. But all you need are these tools right here. A little screwdriver for taking a tab off, the 8mm socket, and pliers for pulling those wires out of there. And then what I have is my brand new set of switches. They'll go right in there. And these just break over time. It's a 20-year-old truck. You can't expect much. So I need to get into that right there with a screwdriver. Let me see if I can hold a phone and do this one-handed. I don't know, maybe. But you just grab the phone with the other hand. I got a screwdriver in my mouth, so I can do this. I got the AC on right now, but you just pop that little thing off there on both sides. Drop your tools everywhere, and then you got that 8mm socket right there. I'm gonna get that off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the socket out. That's ready to come off. I'm gonna pause this again so that I can take this off because of the airbag. I want to be really careful with it, and I don't think I should be doing it one-handed. So again, be right back. Okay, I got the airbag off to the side there. So now if it blows, it's going straight up. What I need to do is, I don't know if my little screwdriver will work in this. Oh yeah, good. I forgot to grab a Phillips screwdriver. You need a Phillips screwdriver too. Whoopsie. So take that off there. Notate the fact that that wire is connected to the outside, not under it. That's a ground wire. So place these screws somewhere I don't lose them. But see, these ones over here is not broke. It's just really wore out. This one over here is just straight broke. It's broken pieces. Yeah. Now, when you get these new switches, they come with the wires. But if there's nothing wrong with your wires, and these look just fine to me, just go ahead and use your wires. I mean, they fit right in. It's the perfect match, and that's the purpose of the of the pliers, is to be able to pull these off. And what I'm going to do is pause this because I need two hands. So I'll be right back. Okay. So I went ahead and just took the other side off while I was right there working on it. Got them out. Check the wires. They look good. Because otherwise you got to take all this apart and run the wiring, and that's just, who wants to do that? Not if you don't have to. But here are, again, my bad ones, but they've got the same plugs, you know, they're matched. That's got all the pins there, and this one should be, yeah. Ow. All right, anyway, I'm gonna get these plugged back in and I'll be right back again. Okay, I got the new switches in. As you can see, I just wanted to show real quick, you know, the factory wiring fits in these really nice. They're nice and secure. And I'm gonna get that airbag back in and then I'll be right back. Okay, look at this. Those look so much better. I still gotta do my last cover. I got it tightened down. Pop that back in there real quick. Excuse me. And yeah, those, I mean, you know, gosh, which ones, sun's coming in the wrong area, which ones would you rather have, right? So yeah, it's super simple to change, and this is like the right around the year 99. I'm not sure exactly what year everything is, but I know it does the Explorers, the Excursions, the Expeditions, the F-150s, and so on and so forth. Anything with a steering wheel set up like this. Yeah, that's so nice clicky buttons. I didn't have that before. They worked, it just didn't, they were really ugly. Okay, I bought these off eBay for, I think, 17 something with shipping. It wasn't due to be here till Wednesday. I got it yesterday on Saturday, so super excited about that. The next thing I'm doing is the headlights on my truck, putting in some projector headlights, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, see ya.